What school is right for you? And for all of us, it's quite different. If you want to be CEO of a company or work in general management, maybe it's Harvard Business School. 2/3 of HBS is BS, by the way. Just kidding. Sorry. Bad joke. But please quote me on that. If you want to work in finance, there are several great schools. There is University of Chicago, Wharton, and Columbia, where I went. And I wanted to make that transition to work in finance, which is why I went to Columbia. If you want to work in high tech, Berkeley is a fantastic school. So is Stanford, but there are many others as well. If you want to work in Europe, INSEAD is fantastic. And I don't mean to just highlight these schools. There are many incredible schools that you can go to. But just make sure you understand why you want to go to business school. And so what I recommend people do is to create long-term goals, a rudimentary gap analysis as follows. Here's where you are in your career today. Here's where you want to be in 20 years. How do you fill that gap? And so understanding what your goals might be in 20 years from now, if you know where you want to be, it'll help bridge that gap by deciding what business school you should be going to. And they should be happy to have you.